How are you? So this is the second day of week 2. Okay, so we are still in online learning. All right, guys. Now, today we are going to learn about count in sets of 2, 5, or 10. Okay, so you're going to look at page 18, sweet shop sets. Okay, page 18 in your activity book 1C. All right, now let's look at the next slide. I can count in twos. Now, in this slide, we're going to learn about counting in twos. Okay, now I hope you guys still remember count in twos, right? Okay, we just learned in previous slide. Okay, count in twos. You just need to recap it. So what you're gonna do is you're going to read it again until you can say it completely without seeing this slide. Okay, can guys? So it will start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So that is count in twos. Now let's look at next slide. Count in fives. Count in twos means you plus 2. Count in fives means you plus 5. Example, you will start with 5 then. Okay. So 5 you plus with another 5, you will get 10. 10 if you plus with another 5, you will get 15. Okay, so count in fives. The same thing that you're going to do is you will read it again and again until you're able to say it completely without seeing this slide. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Normally we learn until 60 only. You don't need to read until 100. Just learn until 60. Okay. Now let's look at the next slide. Count in tens. Most of the students find it very easy compared to count in twos, threes. Or normally students they find it easy for count in tens and also count in fives. Now let's look at count in tens. Okay, very simple. Count in tens means you will plus 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is count in tens. So you're going to do the same thing, guys. Okay, read it again and again until you can say it completely without seeing the slide. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Counting in sets. What is counting in sets? Okay, now I will teach you this. Please listen carefully. This is very important as you're going to do this exercise in your page 18. Okay, very important, guys. Pay attention. All right. Now, counting in sets. If you see, this is a dice, correct? How many dice you have here? Now, first thing, you have to count how many dice you have here. Okay? Now, let me find a pen. Okay, one dice, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 dices here. So you are going, so that is the reason I wrote 8 here. So just write 8 dices. Okay, now here if you see 32 number of dots. Why 32? Suddenly how come we get 32 then? All right, very simple, guys. Now you are counting in sets here. Okay, now how many dots in one dice? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots in each dice. 4, correct? Here you have another 4. Okay, if you're not sure of counting 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, for the easy way, you just count 4 and then you count here 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then 9, 10, 11, 12 until complete, until complete. Okay, until you have to complete all these things, all the dices, you will get 32. But the best thing to count in sets is, listen carefully. Okay, the best thing is, please, when you count 4 here, okay, when you count 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, each dice has 4 number of dots. So when you count 4 here, what is another 4? 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8. 8 you plus with another 4? 12, correct? Done. 12 you plus with another 4. You take out your fingers and count. Okay, 12 you plus with another 4. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16. Done. 16 plus with another 4. 20. Okay, now 20 plus with another 4. 24. How about 24 plus with another 4? Take out your fingers, guys. Okay, keep 24 in your heart. Take out your fingers, 4 fingers. So 24 in your heart, 25 in your finger, 26, 27, 28. 28 done. 28 plus another 4. Okay, 28 in your heart, 29 in your finger, 29, 30, 31, 32. So there are 32 number of dots. Okay, guys, if you're not sure, replay this video again and again until you understand clearly. Now let's move to the next slide. So this is the page that I've scanned for you. If you see here, okay, now if you see here, they already mentioned here the packet of sweets has 2 sweets inside. So in this page, for the first question, you have to write here how many packets you have. How many packets? Now for the second one, you have to write here how many sweets altogether, which means each packet contains 2 sweets. So you have to count in twos. Okay? For the next question, you look up here, they said 5 sweets. So count here how many packets. And then you write here, then count how many sweets. Each packet has 5 sweets. So you will count in 5s. Can? Okay, just try. You can do it. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, happy trying, guys. It's page 18. Okay, you guys can do it. Don't worry, I'll be online for you. You can ask me questions during your lesson time. Alright, guys? Thank you. Bye.